y'all, this is Kinah with KinahIAm. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Q3 Isis Ella Jewels Jewel Box. For those of you that are new here, welcome. My name is Kinah. I do a whole lot of unboxings, plan with me's, and you'll start to see some new stuff come to the channel pretty soon. I am the owner-operator of Sweet Gem Life, and the purpose of these unboxings, the purpose of the things that I do on my channel, mainly the unboxings, is to show people that are new to the planner community that there are options. While I do try new subscription services all the time, you will regularly see a lot of my favorites, Isis Ella Jewels being one of them. So if you're interested in seeing what's in this box, go ahead, you know what to do, stay tuned. Okay, so as I previously stated, this is the Q3 box. Y'all, I had a hard time trying to get my box. Like, the USPS almost made me get out of character, y'all. But she's here. We're ready to go ahead and do this thing. So, as you can see, pink, pink, pink. Make your own magic. So, I'm trying to remember what the theme of this month's quarters box is. It might be make your own magic. We're surely getting ready to get into it, okay? So, let's get this box off the desk. So, we've got some space. And I'm going to go ahead and unbox this on camera. So we have the sticker here that says Purpose, Passion, Pleasure. I tried to save the paper, but your girl is a little bit too excited for that, clearly. That's what it's called. The box is titled Trust Your Intuition. Clearly, sis got problems. So we have a menu card here. We have our journaling card. On the back side, it does list the items that are in this box. We've got 5 journaling cards, 9 die cut pieces, 1 dashboard, 4 sticker 1-page kits, 1 sticker affirmation sheet, 1 sticky note and page flag set, 6 magnetic bookmarks, and 3 adhesive pockets. Y'all, I'm seeing a lot of new stuff, so let's go ahead and get into this thing. So, first things first, what's at the top of the stack are the die cuts. Y'all, the ladies this month came to serve all that they came to serve, and who is finna stop them, okay? So, ooh, baby. Okay. Sis got a whole attitude. She ain't here for none of that. She is cute. I think she's probably my favorite in the whole box. I don't know. It's a toss up between sis here and sis here. Y'all, who's your favorite? Who's your favorite? I gotta give them names. I need to first find out, make sure they don't already have names. Then we're gonna give them names. But this is the 9 die cut piece set. Y'all. So, that was the die cuts. Let's see what's next. Next up, we have the journaling cards. Not tear it up trying to get into it. Okay, we've got our journaling cards. So it says speak your truth. Come on, focus. Thank you. Speak your truth. Your potential to succeed is infinite. Baby girl, all of that attitude here to succeed. Listen. Trust you. And your timing is your timing. Trust that. So these are the 5 journaling cards in this quarters box, y'all. Forgive me. I'm so used to getting monthly boxes that when I get these quarterly boxes, I don't know how to act. Those were our journaling cards. Let's see. What do we have next? Next, I see some stickers. Let's go ahead and get into this. So, I believe here at the top, we have our affirmation sheet. You have to start believing you deserve more than just the bare minimum. I've broken generational Curses, it's time for generational blessings. Amen. Listen to the silence. Queen, get addicted to peace of mind. Trust you. Walk by faith, not by sight. Trust your intuition. Befriend your intuition. It will serve you well in life. Yes, it sure will. So this is the affirmation sheet. And next we have our dolls. Yes, I love her. I'm gonna have to reach out to E. I need to know sis name, and I'm gonna have to get me some of these. I'm gonna have to keep her on deck. So we have befriend your intuition. Be strong but not rude. Be kind but not weak. Be humble but not timid. Be proud but not arrogant. And we've got some more affirmations here and some quotes, and we have Miss Doll everywhere. So that was Befriend Your Intuition. Then we have Be Open. I'm loving the florals back there. It says everything attached to me wins. Be open to whatever comes next. Don't be afraid to say yes. Trust your instincts. Next we have Be Patient. Everything comes to you at the right time. Be patient. Breathe, love, forgive, trust, listen. Everything is aligning for you. Trust it. Your timing is your timing. Trust that. It's poor spiritual hygiene to ignore your intuition. Don't do it, sis. And last but not least, we have Be Ready To. Listen to the silence. Move with intentions to grow your spirit. Keep moving forward. Get ready. It's a new day. So then we have some more prompts down here. So these are the 4 one-page kits and our affirmation sheet. The next item, ooh, our magnetic bookmarks, y'all, baby. And we got my girl down here, y'all, my girl, E, please, baby, I just need a sheet. So we have Trust You, Keep Moving Forward, Listen, You Deserve This Win, Keep Going. We have the print here. And then we have Baby. Her name is Baby. Until E tells me her real name. So these are our magnetic bookmarks. The next item I see, ooh, adhesive pockets. Y'all, I'm always here for adhesive pockets. I got them everywhere, all in my planner. Go ahead and stay tuned for a flip through. It's coming. So we have Trust Your Intuition with my girl. We have the ladies on their meetup. And then we have You Deserve This Win, Keep Going. So these are the adhesive pockets. And then last but not least, y'all, we have the sticky note and page flag set. Woo, Erica! Girl, you already know. I don't gotta say nothing else. So we have my girl here on the reminders. We have Today, Get It Done. We have these page flags, Forgive, Courage, Peace, Breathe, Love. And then we have this print here. This is another sticky note. So this is the sticky note and page flag set. Alright, y'all, so we are at the end. I really enjoyed this box, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, turn on your notifications, and there's a link down below if you'd like to subscribe to the jewel box. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.